Oh, why did I just play this against pragg? I didn't even realize I was playing pragg, and I played an opening I didn't want to play. This is what Levi played against me the one time he beat me in a random blitz game. So I'm gonna play like Levi Roseman with queen c7. The problem is pragg's a good player, so he knows what to do against it. Let's go here. I'm gonna try to play a little bit funky. There's a good chance I'm gonna get absolutely steamrolled because pragg just happens to be a really, really good player. But I'm gonna play something a little bit weird. I'm gonna play some funky chess here. I mean, pragg is a really good player, so it's very dangerous playing like this against him, but I'm gonna try. Very dangerous to play like this because he's a legitimately good player. So trying to play funky junk, I don't think I've ever used that term, funky junk, against him could be a little bit risky. Agree with this too. Yeah, funky junk. Playing funky junk against a 2750 plus player is probably not advisable. I could take on c1, but I think I just take here. Like queen c1, I have queen d6, and I'm fine. I mean, maybe he thought that I was actually going to hang a pawn. I think he missed queen d6, actually. So now I get rook g8, and I mean, it's not a great position, but it's not the worst position ever. It's not the worst position I've ever had, oddly enough. This is maybe okay, kind of. Okay, so I go a6, I cut him off the pass. Queen g6 is also a move. f4 is also a move here. But I think, I mean, I don't know. a6 looks just logical to stop this. Rook g6 maybe also playable. Queen g6 also. Queen g6, queen h5. I mean, a lot of options here. I think a6 was too slow, though. I have a feeling a6 was a little bit too slow by me. Maybe I can go rook g6. It doesn't look right. I'm gonna go here. This does not look right. There's a decent chance I'm just gonna get absolutely screwed in this game. Actually, queen e3, that does not look great. Wait. I'm actually not sure that I like this move from him. Now I'm gonna play rook g8. It was actually getting a little bit unclear now. If I get rook g8, I can create the double stack. I'm not sure he's attacking me even. And takes, I even have knight b. Ooh, this is getting interesting. I need to think for a second. I actually suspect I'm doing okay here. This doesn't look great for white. I think this whole queen d3 idea was definitely not what the doctor ordered. And he's also very slow. Sweet home Alabama. And logical. I can trade and play queen e6. Now, do I take with the rook or do I take with the queen is also a big question. I assume I take with the queen. I think I'm okay here, actually. I have a better position than I deserve. That much is for sure. Definitely a better position than I deserve. That much is for sure. I do have f3 here. I also have rook e6. I mean, it's not a great position. f3 and then rook d2 maybe. My knight's not good on h6 either, but I'm gonna try to activate. Maybe knight f5 here. Knight d4, knight d2. Knight f5, rook f4. Maybe rook d2 here is actually a good move. Hit the pawn. I have rook g3 also. Still not clear. Trade the knights, but I assume I should go here. I should not trade the knights. This endgame actually better. Maybe 5 or knight c4 b5 maybe. Actually, this is just good for me. Why am I so tentative? I'm too nervous. Maybe nervous wrong, but I'm second guessing myself too much here. But I'm way up on clock, which is very, very important. Oh, did I allow some dumb trick? I did. Eight, 6. check. Okay, goes G4. I do have F5, F5 knight D4, rook E4. Problem is his pragg, and he's a very fine player. I'll go here. F5 is knight D4 and he draws the game. So I'm gonna win this game. I'm gonna have to really, really finesse this. I'm not sure I'm good enough to finesse it, honestly. It goes knight D4, which looks wrong. Looks very wrong, actually. What is knight D4? But now my king gets back in the game, and now I'm definitely in it to win it. Of course, he finds rook C5 because he's a very good player. Oh, and now I blundered this too. What am I doing? What did I do that? I just blundered. Or maybe I have check and rook E... Wait, no, maybe I have check and rook E5, actually. Wait. No, maybe I've got this. No, I'm still in the game. I'm still in the game. Oh, he's got this one, which I didn't see. He blundered. He had G5 to draw the game. He missed it. I mean, I should be winning here with pragg play. What did I just do? Oh my god, what did I... Oh my god, what did I just do? I mean... I think I'm still winning, but geez, that was bad. Oh, I'm winning still. Now I push and I win.